Hey guys, welcome to the pod team. My name is AJ.
This is Lex. What do we have in this video?
Okay, so part three of the Sunday Showdown. Today we're going to talk about the market, the analysis of what to expect coming forward, and what the banks are doing right now. So first thing first, we have the rate hikes coming in, which are coming in March 21st and 22nd. The Fed is going to say on that. So if we do have a 0.25 basis rate hike, look for the key point on if they're going to do any future rate hikes. That's going to be key. So if they do future rate hikes and they're going to include that, look for the markets to go down. Now, if they stop the rate hikes, look for two signals. Now, if they stop the rate hikes, that means inflation should be, it'll be going up. So that's not really good news. I mean, for a small amount of time, it might be, but that means that, it could lead to like there might be more serious repercussions that the Fed sees and why they stopped the rate hikes. But I do see a 0.25 basis rate hike at least because it will show that, the Fed is still brave enough to go forward. And, with that being said, the banks right now, there's important announcements coming out from the Credit Suisse Bank, which is a bank in Switzerland. UBS will be buying them for 50 cents on the dollar. So basically, 50 cents a share, which is close to like $2 to $3 billion. UBS also got approval of $100 billion credit line from the Swiss government, which is insane because that's supposed to be their backstop compared to what the Fed has done, which is a $25 billion backstop. So if there's further banks that could fail, can the Fed raise that $25 billion backstop to a $100 billion backstop? What is that really saying to the markets? Also, you see another bank in New York trying to buy out uh, the Signature Bank. So it's, a very, very volatile session going forward to this market, and look to see bank stocks go up and down like it did last week. So, like I said, if you're a day trader, you're going to love this market. If you're a long-term investor, good luck. You might not see the invest the returns that you were expecting. So it's a very volatile session. A lot of things are, gonna come in as factors going into this week. So just, relax, take your time, and make some good investments, for the short term. Don't look for it as the long term investor.
So it's going to be kind of up and down the whole thing. Basically, what you're saying is that if they don't do no increase, it's going to be good for the stock market, but it's not going to be good for us, regular guys, regular people,
Well, I mean, for
because
inflation
inflation is
wise,
going to
yeah,
still
it
go
doesn't
up.
make sense because, then they're saying that, inflation could go up too. So one hand you have the Fed needs to fight the inflation, and then on the other hand you have, if you keep raising the rate hikes, what else can break? So
Yeah.
regulators are faced with a sense of urgency to see if they should push the deal forward or not. With that being said, a European Credit Bureau did raise their rate hikes by 0.5 basis points, which is a fit like, more than a quarter point. They did a half a point. So they were trying to send a message that, what, even though there's a situation with Credit Suisse right now, we're still going to go forward with it. So maybe if the Fed takes the same step, uh, you could see markets crashing big. So that's something to look forward to too. So Credit Suisse on Monday, look for their shares to drop drastically, and if not, get halted and taken out of the market. Now UBS is another stock. Look for their shares to probably skyrocket because with that $100 billion green light from the government, that might, make their shares go up a lot more. So there is already recessionary fears in the market already. So this week is not going to help, you know, uh, the markets realize if they're going towards recession or away from a recession. It's just gonna, time has to play it out, and we'll see how it goes from there.
So we will see what happens next week. Hopefully, you make some money.
Yeah,
if you're gonna trade.
I hope a lot of people make their money, and I hope people
Yeah,
don't lose their money. But I mean, if you're in the stock market, you know the basis lesson. If someone is making money, someone is losing money.
that's right.
So
That's right. But thank you, AJ. I'm sorry. Thank you for your help and thank you for the info. And let's see if anybody's gonna make or lose some money.
yes, sir. We'll see you in the next one, guys. Like, share, subscribe, and we'll try to do another analysis tomorrow on the market and see how Monday goes. Thank you.
All right, guys. Thank you.